Google just changed Gmail forever. This update is genuinely wild. It's like having a personal assistant living inside your inbox who reads everything, remembers everything, and can write better than most people you know. And the crazy part is that most people have no idea this is even there yet. Stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly what it does, why it matters for your business, and how to start using it today to save serious time every single week. Okay, let's get into this because this one is a genuinely big deal. Google just rolled out Gemini inside Gmail. And I want to be really clear about something before we dive in. This is not a minor feature update. This is not a small quality of life tweak. This is a fundamental change to how Gmail works and how you interact with your inbox every single day. Gemini, which is Google's most advanced AI model, is now fully integrated into your email. It reads your emails, writes your replies, it summarizes entire threads in seconds, it answers questions about conversations you had months ago that you completely forgot about, it proofreads before you send. If you run a business, manage a community, do outreach, handle client relationships, or just deal with a high volume of email, you need to understand what this means right now. I'm going to walk you through all of it, show you real examples, and show you exactly how we're using this inside the AI Profit Boardroom to cut hours out of our week. Let's go. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. What exactly is Gemini in Gmail and what can it actually do? There are 5 core features and each one is genuinely useful on its own, but when you combine them, they completely change how you work. The first is thread summarization. You know those long email chains that go back and forth for days with 10 people involved, things getting repeated, important decisions buried somewhere in the middle, and nobody really knows where things stand? Gemini reads the entire thread and gives you a clean 3-line summary. Key decision that was made, the deadline that was mentioned, the action that still needs to happen. You don't have to dig through 50 replies anymore. This alone is worth it if you're managing a team, handling clients, or running a community with active members. The second is conversational inbox search, and this one is genuinely impressive. Instead of searching for a keyword or a sender name, you can ask Gemini a natural question about your inbox like, what did we decide about the membership pricing last month? Or has anyone asked about AI Profit Boardroom onboarding this week? Gemini actually understands what you're asking and pulls the relevant answer directly from your emails. It's not just surfacing old emails, it's reading them, interpreting them, and giving you a real useful answer. That is a completely different experience to anything Gmail has ever offered before. Third is Help Me Write, which is the AI drafting tool. You give it a quick description of what you want to say, and it writes a full professional email for you. Then you can refine it on the spot. Tell it to be shorter, warmer, more direct, more formal, whatever fits the situation. Picks up context from the thread you're replying to, so the draft actually makes sense and fits the conversation rather than sounding like a generic template. The quality is genuinely good, and it saves an enormous amount of time when you're sending a lot of emails every day. Quick pause here. If you want to use tools like Gemini in Gmail to automate your business, cut down on manual work, and build real systems that scale, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where serious entrepreneurs and creators learn how to build real AI automation workflows that actually move the needle. We break down tools like this every single week, we build out the actual systems together, and we show you step by step how to apply them to your outreach, your content, your community, and your overall business growth. Fluff, no theory, just practical stuff you can implement immediately. Link is in the description. Take a look and come join us inside. The fourth is Proofread, and the fifth is the Gemini side panel inside Google Workspace. Proofread checks your grammar, tone, and clarity before you hit send, catching the mistakes you miss when you're moving fast. The side panel sits alongside your inbox as a persistent tool for summarizing, searching, and drafting without ever leaving Gmail. Together, they turn your inbox into a full AI-powered productivity hub. Now, let me show you what this actually looks like in practice with real examples, because this is where it gets genuinely exciting. Say you're running a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, and you've got a long email thread from a new member who joined, asked several questions about onboarding, followed up twice over a week, and then asked about upgrading their membership. Instead of reading through all of it to figure out where things stand, you hit summarize and Gemini gives you the key points in seconds. What they asked, what was already answered, and what still needs a reply. You respond faster, you look completely on top of things, and you never accidentally miss a question that got buried halfway down the chain. Now, let's say you want to reach out to a potential partner or a brand you want to collaborate with to grow the AI Profit Boardroom. You open Help Me Write and tell it, write an outreach email to a business owner explaining the value of AI automation for entrepreneurs and inviting them to explore our community. Gemini writes the full email. You tweak the opening line to make it feel more personal, run it through Proofread, and it's done in under a minute. A task that used to take 10 minutes of staring at a blank screen now takes 45 seconds. Because you're writing more emails faster with less friction, you're doing more outreach, building more relationships, and creating more opportunities every single week. Here's one that most people are completely sleeping on. Say someone emailed you 3 months ago after watching one of your YouTube videos, they were interested in joining your community, you got busy, the conversation got buried, and nothing ever happened. With Gemini, you can ask your inbox to find people who expressed interest but never got a proper follow-up. It surfaces all of those conversations. You go back, send a warm, genuine reply, and some of those people convert into paying members. Here's the bigger picture that most people are completely missing right now. Gmail is no longer just a place to send and receive messages. It is now an AI-powered system that reads, interprets, filters, and prioritizes your emails before you even open them. And that changes the rules for everyone who uses email as part of their business. Before this update, Gmail filtered your emails based on rules, spam signals, and simple category labels. Gemini is reading the actual meaning of your emails and making intelligent decisions about how important they are and how to present them to the reader. That means vague, promotional, padded emails get buried, and clear, direct, specific emails land better and drive more action. Write one clear point per email, use a direct subject line, and end with one specific call to action. If Gemini can't summarize your email in 2 clean sentences, your reader probably couldn't follow it either. If you're on Google Workspace on Business Standard or higher, Gemini is already enabled. Look for the side panel icon on the right side of Gmail, click it, and you're in. Admins can manage settings under Apps, then Google Workspace, then Gemini. If you're on a personal Gmail account, look for the Help Me Write button inside your Compose window. It's a small pencil icon with a sparkle next to it. Deeper features like personal intelligence are available in the US on Google One AI Pro or Ultra. If you don't see any of this yet, the global rollout is still happening, so check back in a few days. This Gemini Gmail update is one of the most practical and immediately useful AI upgrades we've seen in any mainstream tool this year. It genuinely changes how fast you can work, how well you can communicate, and how much you get done inside your inbox every single day. If you take nothing else from this video, just go turn it on and use it on one real email thread today. Promise that once you summarize your first messy chain with Gemini, you will never want to go back to reading them manually again. If you want to go deeper and build real AI automation systems around tools like this for your business, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. We cover the best AI tools every single week, break down the workflows in detail, and show you exactly how to apply them to grow and scale whatever you're building. Link is in the description and the comments below. And if you want to start with something completely free, come join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community of over 67,000 members who are all actively using AI to work smarter, grow faster, and build better businesses. You'll get the full notes from this video, access to over 100 AI use cases and workflows, and a community of people who are genuinely doing this at a high level every single day. Links are in the comments and description. Grab your free spot and I'll see you in there.